Toyota app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So if your Toyota app is not working, the first thing you need to check is this app in your Play Store. Head over to your Play Store, then search for Toyota. As it is so, if this application shows open, that means it is already updated. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once it is so, head over to your settings, scroll below onto this apps section. Once done, you will see a search bar icon on your top right hand side. Tap onto it and search for your Toyota app. Under usage, you will see storage. Open that option, and from here you have to clear the data. Before doing so, you have to read all these and tap on delete. Once done, come back under app info page and tap on force stop on your bottom right corner. Tap OK. Now restart your device and then get logged into your Toyota application again. If it's still not working, then the only way you can fix it is by reinstalling this application. Tap on uninstall, tap OK, reinstall it again from your Play Store, and that will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.